First of all, we would like to try some questions. We will be going into more advanced stage because most of us are familiar with the basic use of calculators. Let's look at this. 1/3 of 1236. How do we get this fraction 1/3? We first must key in the fraction button. Which button is that? The fraction button there. When you press that button, you're ready to key in the fractions. You key in the numerator, which is 1, and then you press the arrow button downwards to go to the denominator, which is 3. Of means times, so we press the operation times. In order to do that, we press the arrow and then we go to the multiplication sign. Then we key in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 6. And then we press the equal sign and you get the answer immediately, 4, 1, 2. It is so quick and so efficient.